Rainforest Connection is a nonprofit tech startup, but our main goal is to use technology and partnerships around the world to fight deforestation and generally protect environments that are under threat. What we're known for best is taking old smartphones, old Huawei smartphones, ones from like 10 years ago that no one's using anymore, putting them up in trees in the rainforest, and they listen to all the sounds of the forest. They pick out the sounds of chainsaws, logging trucks, using AI, in this case actually model arts, Huawei AI, and then we can send alerts to local people on the ground, like indigenous tribes, NGOs, and local governments, so they can actually show up and stop the loggers on the spot. And the amazing thing is it actually works. It works pretty well around the world. It all kind of started because I was in Indonesia and realized that at this one NGO, I was having a lot of problems protecting their like small reserve from illegal logging. I figured that actually the rainforest is a very noisy place, but the noise can actually be well understood by AI. So AI can actually pick out the sounds of chainsaws and logging trucks from a very, very noisy environment. We can understand the ecology of the forest using new techniques. So we can take the sound from all these different ecosystems, put it together in the cloud, and then we can pick out the ways the different animals are interacting with each other. They can tell us about what's happening and signs of health and signs of danger. We were actually grant funded and funded by generous people out there. Funding is really an issue, and Huawei themselves have actually stepped up to help us be funded in this way. We've been using their phones in our devices, our guardians we call them, for years, and they reached out to us. They didn't actually know that. They just sort of knew that it was a story about phones and about AI. But it's really been amazing. We started working with them about 6 months ago, and in that time they've improved our AI models for being able to pick out chainsaws. They've helped us build detection models for spider monkeys and other species as well. Over the next year or so, we'll actually be protecting 6,000 more square kilometers of forest. That's 400 million trees, which is equivalent to about 30 million cars off the road for a year. That's how much carbon impacts you can have. So again, that's not really us doing that. Like, we're just actually putting technology in the hands of the right people on the ground and giving them solutions and encouragement and incentives to actually protect the forest.